into regex string functions with the subtitle Understanding String Patterns with Regex in Sheerpower. In this segment, we'll explore how regex can help you identify and manipulate string patterns efficiently. By mastering these powerful functions, you can enhance your text processing capabilities and streamline your Sheerpower applications. Let's uncover the potential of regex in Sheerpower. Regular expressions, or regex, were developed in the 1950s. Over the years, they have been enhanced and are now widely used for string manipulation and searching. In Sheerpower, you can leverage the power of regex with two primary functions, regexsearch and regexreplace. These functions allow you to efficiently search for patterns within text and replace text based on those patterns, streamlining your text manipulation tasks. Sheerpower provides two powerful regex functions for text manipulation. Regexsearch searches for expressions within text. Regexreplace searches and replaces text. Example 1, searching for a word. In this example, we use regexsearch to find the word rain in the text, "It is raining outside." This code searches the text for the word rain, returning the starting position of the word and printing it using the mid function. In this second example, we use regexsearch to find a phone number pattern in the text 50555551212. This example searches for a phone number pattern in the text. The expression groups are: first group, area code; second group, first part of the number; third group, second part of the number. In this third example, we use regexreplace to find and replace a word in the text, "It is raining outside." This example finds the word rain in the text and changes it to snow. In this fourth example, we use regexsearch to find an age in the text and then replace it. This example searches the text for an age. When found, it displays the age and changes it to 65. For detailed information on regular expressions, read about regular expressions. You can also watch this YouTube tutorial on regular expressions to gain a deeper understanding. In conclusion, understanding regex functions in Sheerpower can significantly enhance your string manipulation capabilities. These functions are highly optimized for speed, making your string handling both robust and efficient.